Top 3 dash cams for comprehensive road safety. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the Amazon Explorer, where we dive deep into the world of tech to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're looking at 3 of the top dash cams in the market: the REDTIGER dash cam F7NP, the Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam, and the Nextbase 622GW dash cam. These models are highly rated for their features, performance, and value. By the end of this video, you'll know which dash cam suits your needs best. Let's get started. The REDTIGER Dashcam F7NP is a high-resolution dual-camera system featuring 4K UHD for the front camera and 2.5K QHD for the rear camera. It's packed with essential features like night vision, built-in GPS, and a wide 170-degree field of view. With a 32GB SD card included, it's ready to use out of the box. High-resolution recording. The F7NP offers 4K clarity on the front camera, capturing crisp details like license plates and road signs, even at high speeds. Night vision excellence. Equipped with an advanced Sony Starvis sensor, this dash cam ensures clear recording even in low-light conditions. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. You can track routes and speeds with GPS, and the Wi-Fi connection allows for easy video transfers to your smartphone via the REDTIGER app. User-friendly design. The intuitive menu and straightforward installation make it suitable for tech-savvy users and beginners alike. Affordable price point. At around $130 to $150, it's a budget-friendly choice that doesn't compromise on quality. Limited parking mode. While it supports parking mode, it requires a hardwiring kit, which is not included. No cloud storage. Unlike some competitors, there's no option for cloud-based video storage, so users rely solely on the SD card. Everyday drivers who want high-quality video and essential features at a reasonable price. It's perfect for commuters and road trip enthusiasts. The Vantrue N4 is a premium dashcam offering triple-channel recording, covering the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle simultaneously. The front camera records in 4K, while the cabin and rear cameras provide 1080p resolution. It's ideal for rideshare drivers or those seeking all-around protection. Triple channel coverage. This unique feature sets the N4 apart. You get 155-degree front, 165's interior, and 160-degree rear coverage, ensuring no blind spots. High storage capacity supports up to 256GB SD cards, allowing for extended recording times, which is excellent for long trips. Infrared night vision. The interior camera features 4 infrared LEDs for clear cabin footage, even at night. Optional parking mode options. Offers motion detection and time-lapse modes, providing enhanced security when parked. Pricey. At $260 to $300, it's significantly more expensive than the REDTIGER, which might not justify the extra cost for all users. Bulky design. With 3 cameras, the unit is larger and may obstruct the driver's view, particularly in smaller cars. No built-in Wi-Fi or app. Unlike the REDTIGER, video files need to be transferred via SD card or cable, which can be inconvenient. Rideshare drivers, Uber, Lyft, or anyone needing complete 360-degree coverage for personal or professional use. It's great for capturing both the road and activity inside the vehicle. The Nextbase 622GW is a premium dashcam that takes technology to the next level with 4K UHD recording, Alexa integration, emergency SOS functionality, and even what 3 words location sharing. It's a luxury dashcam with cutting-edge features. 4K UHD video play. With stunning 4K recording at 30 FPS, this camera delivers unparalleled clarity. Alexa integration. Voice control lets you perform hands-free tasks, such as playing music or checking the weather through Alexa. Automatically contacts emergency services in case of an accident, sending your exact GPS location. Cloud video storage. Offers optional My Nextbase cloud storage, ensuring your videos are backed up and accessible anytime. Polarizing filter. Reduces glare from the windshield, improving video clarity in bright conditions. Expensive. Priced at $300 to $400, it's a significant investment, potentially overkill for casual users. Limited battery life. The internal battery is small, requiring constant power via the 12 volts adapter or hardwiring. No rear camera included. Rear camera modules are sold separately, which adds to the overall cost. Tech enthusiasts and safety-conscious drivers who want advanced features and are willing to pay a premium for them. If you're in the market for a dash cam, here's our breakdown. Dash cam, best for those who want excellent video quality and key features like GPS and Wi-Fi without breaking the bank. It's perfect for everyday drivers and commuters. Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam. If you're a rideshare driver or need comprehensive coverage, the triple camera setup of the Vantrue N4 makes it the ideal choice despite its higher price. Nextbase Squint dash cam. This one's for tech lovers who want the latest features, including emergency SOS and Alexa integration. It's a luxury option, great for those who prioritize advanced technology. If you're looking for value for money, the REDTIGER Dashcam F7NP is our top pick. It combines outstanding video quality, user-friendly features, and affordability, making it the best option for most drivers. However, if you're willing to spend more for advanced features or extra coverage, the Vantrue N4 and Nextbase 622GW are fantastic options. What's your favorite dash cam? Let us know in the comments below. Links to the 3 dash cams available on Amazon are right below the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Drive safely, and we'll see you next time.